all the teachers who are responsible for running the program. Principal Reverend Father Leo Yaubor, Principal Reverend. Annual Sports Meet 2024 of Saint Vianney's School. It's a wonderful evening today, and very happy to see all the activities almost done, and I saw a few of the competitions which was very competitive. Congratulations to the winners. I'm also very overwhelmed to be here because this is the first time I'm visiting this school, and thank you to the principal for inviting me, and Balaki Chalam for coming over to the office and inviting me to be here today. First of all, I would want to share with you about sports, because for me sports is a very important part of life that I've been going through right through my whole life. As you can see, now I'm also working in the sports department, but all these years before I've been also participating and also being a huge part in the field of sports.
First goes to Raymond Lang Nongshli from Purnia. Second, the Manbhas 10 from Macarius, and third, John Paul Chalam from Pinto House. Please clap your hands, all of you. Second. Clap your hands, all of you. Please cheer for your team. And the third goes to the Macarius House. Girls, please come forward. For the boys, the winners in the relay goes to the Macarius House. Please come forward, boys. The second goes to the Dioste House. Dioste boys, please come. And the third goes to the Pinto House. So the boys in the Pinto, the participants, please come forward. Pinto House boys, please be quick. Pinto House boys, please be quick. Clap your hands for the Dioste boys, all of you.
Dioste. 1, 2, 3.
The third position to the Pinto House boys. Congratulations, boys, and thank you so much, madam, for doing the honors. Congratulations, Shim Tilang Thongli. Points. The fourth position, the fourth best team goes to the Panya House. So the leaders, please come forward to take over the prize for the team. Panya, please come quickly. Johnson, you can go, it's okay. Please clap your hands, all of you, for Panya, the fourth best team. Congratulations, Panya House. The third with 446 points goes. Please come forward to take the prize. The leaders from the Macarius, please run quickly. Run quickly. Congratulations, Macarius, for bagging the third prize. For bagging the third prize in the team. With 468 points, the second to the second position goes to the Dynasty team. The captain, please come forward to take the prize. There she comes. Congratulations! Please come forward, the captains of the Pinto House. Please run quickly. You are the winners. It should show your happiness. Boys and girls, both the assistant leader. Congratulations, Pinto House, for being the champion in the 2024 Annual Sports Meet. And thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors.
Bandon Hapadeng Jungi Ya Iba Bobby L Nongbet Ibadai is sport officer Jongga district ke Jongi Kublai Shibunsar Ya ke Jingkloi ke Jongpi Hapadeng ke Jing Syate Hakikam ki babun ba Hapo ke district Rai Pipla Pelaj Kenang ya ke por ke Jongpi Banwan Sya kene ka ban penkut ya kan ka sport jong ka sein biani kumju landam moi badai physical instructor jong ka district ki badai don lang mataga sngi hapreng jongi na kabenta ban sakhi ya kan ka sngi penkut ya kan ka sport week jong ka school ka jongi.
Turn routine jobs into joy and change ordinary opportunities into blessing, says William Otto Watts. A very good evening to our honorable chief guest, Shri Bobby L. Nongbet, the district sport officer Nongpo Ribhoi district, our respected Rida Lendam, our principal Padalio Yawal, brothers, sisters and teachers, non-teaching staff, and to all of you dear students and parents. I feel honored to stand here on behalf of Saint Biani Higher Secondary School Umsohlait on this occasion of Sports Meet 2024 to convey words of gratitude. First of all, I thank the Almighty God for His blessing and protection throughout the event of Annual Sports Meet 2024. We are very thankful to our chief guest, Shri Bobby L. Nonglait, the district sport officer Nongpo Ribhoi district, for sparing his valuable time for us and for motivating our students to be ideal sports persons and good human beings in the life. Your presence really made a day remarkable one. Thank you, sir. And let us give him a big round of applause.
Please clap your hands, all of you, as our chief guest is lowering the flag as a sign of closing the annual Sports Meet 2024. I request our chief guest to hand over the flag to our house leaders so that they can fold and hand it back to you, sir. School, we should be united. So now I request all the house leaders to fold the flag and hand it back to our chief guest, who will in turn hand over to the sports committee. Thank you so much, house leaders. And I request our honorable chief guest to kindly hand over the flag to our sports committee. Clap your hands, all of you.
I declare the annual schools sports meet 2024 closed.
Clap your hands, all of you, and thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors and being in our midst.
School attention! Student of St. Mary's School is all big boys. An institution mixed up with girls and boys. No girls and boys, country girls all. Climbing up to the summit of mountain high. Stand up for the goals, we must not be lost. Take a righteous life for a war too much. We need to work hard as in your need. In vision, we'll all be happy.